up, Royals? Welcome to Tonetrasgarden. In today's video, I am unboxing a hydroponics growing system called Letpot, and it is a smart hydroponics growing system. I am super excited, so let's go ahead and do this unboxing. Okay, so I haven't touched this box. Came straight to my door. Let's open it up. So, all right. So when you first open the box, this is what it looks like. Look at that. Smart hydroponics growing system. So this is what the package looks like. It has a nice handle at the top. So we have community Letpot app. So this is the app information. We've got our directions. They look super easy, simple, to the point. I see about 8 steps, and I think everything that you need for this system is in the box, including you know, the stuff that you need to grow the plants and all of that good stuff. So let's see what we got. OMG, it's so shiny. OMG, I am loving how sleek this is. Isn't that beautiful? And guess what? It is, what is this? It is stainless steel, so it matches my kitchen appliances perfectly. OMG, that's cute. Okay, so when we open this up, I see some buttons here at the top. It says Letpot at the top. Okay, I'm just gonna pull this up. I believe this is the light. Ooh, that goes pretty high. So you can grow some pretty tall plants with this. Look how tall that is. That's almost as tall as me. Okay, so we're gonna open this up. Okay, so we got this little thing on top. Welcome to Letpot Garden. Grow smarter, harvest better. Okay, so we got a couple goodies in here. This is sponge. This is tag, shade covers, support rod. This is basket kit, germination cover. And look at this. It comes with plant food A and plant food B. So it does come with the stuff that you need to actually grow the plants. So that's awesome. Comes with your electrical cords. And I see some type of something down here. Has some tape on it. Your filter? Maybe it's a filter. Okay. So we've got all of this unpacked. Okay, now I can have a seat. I'm gonna bring you guys in closer so you can actually see what's going on. I'll put this down for now. Okay, so here we are, and we're gonna read our directions because I have no idea. Didn't open this beforehand, so it's my first time opening it with you guys. The top is the lighting panel. You have your extendable rod. Somewhere back here, you have the pump and the power. Right here, you have your water indicator. You have a basket container. So you put your little basket in these little holes at the top, which I'll show you closer in detail once we get to that part. And then you have your water tank. So this whole thing is the water tank. Okay. So I'm gonna pull this up and just have it about here for now so we can see what we're doing. So that's up. Second, this, so it says take this out and put it on here. Okay, so you take your little meter thing and you press it onto here. It doesn't click or anything, you just press it on. So we've got that installed. So number 3, we're gonna plug her in. So we're gonna take our power cord, plug it in. So you plug this little end piece in the back here. Ooh, look at that. And then we're gonna take this off. I'm gonna hold this. And there is a little cord in here, and we're going to plug this into the back of here, into the pump section. And I hear that the pump is turned on. Okay. So next we're going to do the nutrients. There's no measuring on here, so 100 mLs. I'm probably gonna need a scale. I'll be right back. Okay, so I had to go and grab my scale really quick just to measure mLs because I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm gonna put this on the scale. Distilled water that I'm gonna use. And this is gonna be your plant food A. Then we're gonna take the cap off of this one and do the same thing for B. 100 mLs. There we go. And then you're gonna shake this one up too. Wipe this down. Okay, so we have our 2 plant foods. We've shaken them up well. We'll set those to the side. Addition should not exceed 5 liters. And that little thing is gonna pop up once I've hit whatever amount that I want to hit. Okay, so the little thing is going up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put 25 mLs in here of nutrient A, and it does have the measuring on here. This is 15, a full cap. And then we're gonna do 15, 10 more. So that's 25 of A. OMG, this is so like scientific, I like it. Okay, so we've got those out of the way. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is use one of these little things that came in the pack, and I'm just gonna mix it. Stir it all together. Wow. And you do want to use like a distilled water or something so that your filters don't get clogged with calcium. Okay, so the motor is on and it's working. Everything looks good. Shade cover. So these are shade covers. It comes with some labels if you need them. Support rods if you need them. So we have our little baskets, and this is what your little seed starting pods are gonna go into. And then we have some little covers that you cover them with so that your seeds can germinate. I didn't even see this. So if you need to pour in more water or something, you just pour it in from this little opening here. But all of these are open, so I just poured it in wherever I could. Okay, I'm gonna bring this up a little bit higher so that you guys can see. Okay, so I got my seeds. I'm gonna do collards. I'm gonna do basil. Oh, and I got my seeds wet. I'm gonna do some basil, and I'm gonna do some dark purple basil. And I'm also gonna do some giant mustard greens. So I really wanna do the greens thing, but I'm gonna throw in a couple basil just to, you know, see what that does. Let me show you how this works. So first of all, we're gonna take our little thing. We're gonna put it into this little cup like so. I'm gonna take my mustard green seed. I'm gonna put 2 seeds per cell just so that we have good germination. And then you just put the little seeds into the little hole that is on top of this sponge. Get them in there good. And then you just place that into the water. Okay, so I'm gonna do that for all of these, and I'll be back. seed sown, I'm gonna go ahead and pop these little humidity domes over top of them. So here's a look at the top of the Letpot, and you have your power button, you have your veg, you have your flower, and then you have your Wi-Fi button. I think I'm gonna keep it on flower, or maybe I should keep it on veg. I'm gonna keep it on veg, and it's so cool because it has a Wi-Fi setting on here that you can control with your phone. If you download the app, you can use your phone to power on and off the device. You can use it to power the pump on the device, and you can also use it to power the lights on this device. And there are a couple other settings that are pretty cool, but you can look into that when you get into the app. OMG, isn't she so cute? So, you can grow tomatoes in here, you can grow peppers in here, you can grow beans in here. I'm gonna be doing the most with this little thing. So I'm super excited. This thing has so much freaking potential. It is amazing. It is a smart hydroponics system. So that is so convenient. If you're somewhere else in the house, you can just control it the way you need to control it from your phone. This top piece, the lighting, you just want to keep it at a nice distance between the light and the plant so that the plants can get enough lighting, and once they start growing, they don't burn. So you can move it up, up, and up as the plant grows. So isn't that super cool? And it goes up very high. So I was surprised about that. And it's very sturdy. This is a very well-made hydroponic system. It is slim, it is wonderful. One other thing that I wanted to add was it has these nice little handle indentions, if you can see, on either side. So it makes it super easy to be able to move this around wherever you want to move it. So I love that. And I will link the product down in the description box. If you have any questions, make sure to comment down below and I will love to answer them. Thank you so much, Letpot, for sponsoring this video, and I will keep you updated. So if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, Royals.